Dear ECCE team, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for your hard work and dedication during our Yellow Day and Summer Splash Party. Everything was beautifully managed, from the decorations to the activities. The lunch setup and table arrangements for the students were simply amazing and truly showed your effort and creativity. The happiness on the children's faces said it all. A special thanks to Ma'am Faiza for joining the swimming activity and enjoying the water fun with the children. It made the day even more exciting and memorable for everyone. I am really proud of my team. Thank you for your teamwork, support, and for making this event such a wonderful success. Keep shining.